Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deep clean your interior carpets the easy way if you have the correct tools, and I'll show you the little bit of tricks if you don't. Now before we get into today's video, please take a second to subscribe to the channel if you're new. It'll really mean a lot to me if you do. I'm trying to get a bigger following, so with that being said, let's get started. So starting off, we're going to start off with the interior mats. Now these are the BMW carpet mats I've had in the car for a very long time, and as you can see by its condition, it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. It has been vacuumed but never deep cleaned. So what we're going to do today is we're going to deep clean it using just these. This is my Karcher pressure washer. It's the K2.36. You may not be able to find it on the net, but if you can, a cordless drill and a drill brush, as well as a pump spray with some carpet solution diluted in it. This is a 5-liter pump sprayer. I'll leave a link to all of these in the description down below for you to check it out. So in the meantime, let's get started with these mats and then you can see the process. Moving over to a little bit of a wet area, I've done a few carpets already, so this is where I'm doing my own now. I actually got some spare time, so I'm going to get started with this. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pump sprayer with the carpet solution and I'm going to spray the entire carpet down as much as I can. Thereafter, I'm going to take the drill brush and I'm going to go over it a few times. Thereafter, proceeding to pressure wash all of the excess dirt. Now that it's been actually hosed down and cleaned up, now I'm going to deep vacuum it using a wet dry vacuum. Now I'm not going to leave a link to this specific one because I don't think you can get this anywhere. This is like 20 years old, almost old as me. Not giving away my age. So let's vacuum this up. So that part is taken care of, as it is looking a lot better. And whether you use an extractor or a wet dry vacuum, it's always going to leave the carpet a bit damp. So it's best to leave this to dry in some direct sunlight or natural room temperature, just to get all that excess moisture out. If you can do this overnight, you can leave it to dry overnight. Hang it up in a clothesline or something, and let it dry up from there, as long as it dries up on its own. So I'm going to leave this overnight, and I'm going to continue with the rest of it, as you can see. there you have it, guys. That's all 4 mats completely done with just using these 3 pieces of equipment. Any pressure machine will work. The set of drill brushes, which I'll link down below, it's an Amazon link down below, so you can check it out. I will receive a commission though if you happen to purchase through that link, and a pump spray. You can use any trigger spray or handheld pump spray, or even this one here. I chose this one here out of convenience, so it makes life a bit easier. So yeah, so I hope you guys found it informative, and if you did find it informative, and if you like this type of content, if you like this video, please leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, leave your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to help if you have any questions. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Hope to see you soon. Peace.